Hello guys, back with me with Salma Safinatun Najah with student ID number is P2063012234. Here I will convey about pharmaceutical technology, industry and manufacturing. My topic today will be very important for you because it delves into an industry that not only shapes our healthcare but also drives innovation and economic growth. Today, I'd like to give you an overview of the intricate web of science, technology, and manufacturing that brings medication from the lab to your local pharmacy. Initially, I want to tell you about the pharmaceutical industry's critical role in our lives. It's responsible for developing and producing the medicines that heal, treat, and prevent a wide range of illnesses. Secondly, I have to say that the pharmaceutical technology is the backbone of this industry. It involves cutting-edge research, drug formulation, and advanced manufacturing processes that ensure the safety and effectiveness of medication. Also, you have to know that quality control is paramount. Stringent regulation and quality assurance practices are in place to guarantee that every pill, capsule, or injection meets the highest standards. I think it's important to highlight the global impact of pharmaceutical manufacturing. Medication produced in one corner of the world can save lives in another, bridging healthcare gaps and improving access to essential treatments. To my mind, sustainability is a growing concern in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Innovations are emerging to reduce waste, energy consumption, and environmental impact, making the industry more eco-friendly. In my opinion, it's crucial to acknowledge the human aspect behind every medication. There are scientists, researchers, and dedicated professionals working tirelessly to bring hope and healing to patients. I believe it is important to know that pharmaceutical technology is a dynamic field that constantly evolves. From the development of biologic to gene therapies, the industry is at the forefront of medical innovation. Finally, the world of pharmaceutical technology, industry, and manufacturing is a tapestry of science, innovation, and compassion. It's an industry that not only contributes to our well-being, but also drives scientific progress. I'd like to finish by saying that as we witness the advances in pharmaceutical technology, let's also recognize the people and processes that make it all possible. Their dedication changes lives. To conclude, the pharmaceutical industry's impact extends far beyond the pills we take. It touches every aspect of healthcare, from research labs to production line and ultimately to patient lives. Before I finish, I'd finally like to say that let's continue to support and celebrate the remarkable journey of pharmaceutical technology, industry, and manufacturing. It's a journey that brings health and hope to millions. Thank you for joining me in exploring this intricate and vital industry. Stay curious, stay informed, and remember that behind every medicine is a world of science and dedication. Until next time, keep marveling at the wonders of pharmaceutical technology and its profound impact on our world. Take care and bye-bye.